My Porsche doesn't have a floor. And as cool as it'd be just Flintstoning around, I figured I should probably weld the floor in. I measured. I cut some 18 gauge sheet to fit. I bead rolled it. I mean, it looked awesome. It looked sick. And I can't tell you why, but halfway through I decided instead of 18 gauge steel, I wanted to use 20 gauge steel. And once I got that in my head, I couldn't stop thinking about, like, oh, it would be so much better if I used 20 gauge. So I started over and I remade everything out of 20 gauge. The difference between 18 gauge and 20 gauge is like so marginal. Like, it really does not make a difference at all. And even now, I mean, even then, I was not sure why I was redoing everything. And looking back, I think I just like to do things twice. And the point I'm trying to make here is that every time I do anything, I do it twice. Like, everything. For example, the suspension in my truck, I didn't do it one time, not two times. I did it 3 separate times. And if I had the opportunity, I'd do it a 4th time. And it's not, I don't know, I couldn't tell you why. It works perfectly fine just now. It looks fine. And I think maybe, in case it wasn't obvious, I don't know what I'm doing or how to do it. So everything I do is usually for the first time. And you'll learn a lot doing something the first time. Usually you think you can do it better the second time. But like in this case with the floors, I did it the exact same way. Like I was totally happy with it. I didn't change literally a thing. I just I I don't know. I don't know. Obviously, I'm sort of saying a whole lot of nothing here. And I don't know what the point I'm trying to make is. But I figure I'm not the only one. So I share my story of confusion, and maybe looking back at this video in the future, I don't know, I'll understand better why I seem to make things harder for no reason. But yeah, this is the story of how I built the floors and the firewall in my Porsche, and I really hope you enjoy watching the video. So thanks. Thank you.